First, remove these two screws. Remove the metal sheet. Remove two sensor screws. Remove pipeline joint. Remove the positioning screw. Remove the needle socket screw. Remove the needle holder and injection needle. Remove the needle screw. Then we can take out the needle. Replace the needle with a new one and reinstall it. Tighten the peak joint. Be careful not to be too tight. Insert the needle into the needle holder and place it in the spring. Rotate the needle to align the screw with the gap. Install the positioning screw. Install the needle socket keep connector. Gently tighten these tools. Reinstall the two sensor screws. Reinstall two metal plates and screws. Reinstall the pipeline and screws. Needle replacement completed.